Welcome back, my woes. You already know, prime the lids, the good old lids. I'm just using this City Colors palette. Okay, just gonna set that with a light shade. Can use any like translucent powder or whatever your steez is. I'm gonna go in with the shade Canvas. It's just a transition shade from the 39A palette. Then I'm gonna go in with the shade Mass, and it's just like a brown tone shade. Really basic, just everyday brown. The same brush. Go ahead and blend that out. Do you see the difference? Like, you can just see the difference. Major key. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade Vibrant. And I'm actually gonna put that on the lid. I'm gonna mix Vibrant and Vivid. So it's like a burnt orange and then like a slightly darker burnt orange. I'm just gonna put that in the center of the lid. Not the whole lid. Just place it right in the center. Round crease brush, and I'm gonna go in with the shade Slice. It's like a brownie muted purple. They're all in the 39A palette, so for reference you can look it up. I'm just gonna put that in the outer corner. Bring it up into the crease a little bit. And then I'm gonna put it in the inner corner too. These shadows are so easy to blend. It's like a dream come true. I feel like any Morphe palette like is a good palette, whether you're just like starting with eyeshadow. I mean, it really doesn't matter. And I'm taking that same blending brush and just buffing that out. And then I'm taking that same shade Vibrant, and then I'm just like going over this just slightly, just to like put some color back in there. I'm going with like a precise detailer brush and just putting more of that Slice shade like in the inner corner. And you can do this with any like color eyeshadow, whichever like combos you like. This is like what they call this technique is like a halo eye. So you want to like focus like your main color in the center of the lid, and then at the edges you just put whatever color you want. I'm just taking a little bit of the shade Sculpt. It's just like a regular brown tone shade, like a lighter brown tone. I don't know if I want to add glitter on the top or not. I'm actually going to take some of this Coastal Scents glitter. It's in the shade Tropicana. And it's just like a glitter. Taking the Too Faced glitter glue. Just going to apply that in the center of the lid. Then I'm going to go over top of this with that vibrant shade. Cover it up just a little bit. Then I'm going to go over top of that glitter with the Stila Smoky Storm Magnificent Metal Eyeshadow. Just a little bit to tone down that orange. Because I didn't expect the glitter to look that orange. Now I'm going in with the NYX Hydra Touch Primer. Then I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth. And just plop that on. Sister. Ooh, 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 ooh. Spray your blending. So it was a little too sharp for my liking. So I'm just gonna blend that out with my finger. And I'm gonna go in with the NYX Wonder Pencil. Open that eye up a little bit. Same shade Vibrant and just add that down here. Gonna add some concealer to these bags. These are the Bold Face Makeup. Go big or go home. Duh. Life motto. I still could set my face at the same time. So we could do that. This is the Urban Decay Chill Makeup Setting Spray. Cooling and hydrating. You already know, Chi lip liner. This one's a little broken. Mo Cosmetics Stargazer, you know my steez. Perf. Who is she? Then I'm gonna put some of that in the inner corner. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Milk Cosmetics Nude. Make sure you blend like your lip liner into your lipstick, you know, cause you need to blend that too, sis. Fierce, it's fierce. So fucking bomb. I can't stand that. Just the finish. Look, see? You're done, boo. You is ready to do whatever it is you do. You don't have to wear lashes if you don't want to, but you know me. I love me a good lash. That's it. That is a complete look. I hope you like it. Give me a thumbs up. Give me a subscribe. Give me a comment. Give me a like. You know. Let me know what else you guys want to see in the comments below. We lit. Stay lit. Stay hydrated. Okay, bye-bye. Till next time, ladies.